Okay, hi guys, my name is Ilamaran and my ID is 12213033411. Okay, today I want to do my demonstration for cybersecurity awareness game for high school students. This is my FYP2 demonstration. Okay, so this is the main homepage dashboard. Okay, now there is a three user in our system that can be used the system. So which is first is admin, second is teacher, and third one will be student. Okay, first let me show how the admin page is working. So for that we have to put the email of admin, password. Okay, now you can see the dashboard of admin. So the admin dashboard is consists of account management and managing profile. So also, so now we can see the account management. So account management is main for managing users. So from here you can see all the list of users that's been in the system existing. So the first one will be FYP student 1, second will be admin, the third one will be student 2, and the fourth will be teacher, and the fifth will be the student 3. So from here admin work will be like registering users and also deleting users. So first let me demonstrate how to register a user. So for that we have to uh, type their full name. Okay, so email address, password, password, and and the role of the user. So for example, this is a student, so we have to type it as a student lah. So then register the student. Okay, as you can see, there's a pop-up will come out where it called as user register successful. So for confirmation, we can go and check the list of all users. Okay, and as you can see, there is the ninth ID as FIP test student 4 that we registered before. Okay, now I want to show the function of delete user. So deleting user will be, you have to type the user ID. For the user ID, we can refer back the list of users. So you can see that number 9 is the ID of the test student 4. For deleting, we just type it number 9 and delete the user. And the pop-up will come like, are you absolutely sure you want to delete the user? So this action cannot be undone. And then we click OK. And as you can see, the user has been deleted successfully. For confirmation, we can go back to the list of users and you can see the FYP2 test student 4 has been gone. So basically, this whole managing users for admin has been working perfectly. Okay, from here you can see the dashboard, admin dashboard, and also admin can manage their own profile also. From here, they can type their full name, like they can edit their name and their email address. Also, their password can be edited again. So back to profile. Okay, now let me go to the teachers. Okay, after that you sign in, you can see this is the teachers dashboard. Okay, now in teachers dashboard, it will show the manage game and manage profile buttons. So we first create a game. So to create a game, we have to go to manage game. Okay, this is manage game dashboard. So as you can see, I've already created 3 games for the cybersecurity. So that's level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, so now I'm going to show an example like how to create a game. So just click the create new game button and you can see there's title and then description and due date. So just type in and then you can set the due date here. For example, I set 2030 lah. Okay, assignment. And it shows that's the game created successfully. After that, you can see there is a game section that has been created here. For this all, as you can see, there is question here. You can view the question here. So this is the question I've already set before. Okay, now I'll show how to add the questions in that section, which we created just now. So you can go to the view question section. Okay, you can see there is no question here. To add question, just click this. And then there's a pop-up come with the add new question. So just type the question and the options. 4 options can be created. So after the created option, you can select which is the correct answer. For example, I created this question and the answer will be B. So I add question here. Okay. So the questions, how many questions here, and the question answer will be shown here. Okay, back to game. Okay. For assigning the student after creating a game, you can see there is assign student here. Just type the student email here. Again, the right email. This is the right email for student 1. So just assign it, and you can see the student assigned successfully pop up. And also you can see the assigned student at below. Okay, after they play the game, you want to, as a teacher, we want to submit a feedback and also see their score. So example, I can see here, this is a game that I created before, and as a student, there's a played game here. This student has played this game before. So you can see their score here, 70. And also we can, to view it, okay, you can see the feedback also can be updated. Okay, to see at student dashboard, you have to go to the dashboard in student, login as a student, and you can see the feedback at student dashboard there. Okay. Other than this, they can, as I said before, in admin, they can manage their own profile, like edit their name, edit their email address, and also they can also change their password. Okay. Okay, I log out from teacher now. Now I'm gonna log in as a student. Right, okay. Okay, now after student login, you can see the student dashboard. Student dashboard consists of available games, manage profile, and also view feedback. Okay, first I will show the games that are available that teachers has been assigned for the students. So here, okay, you can see what are the games that teachers has been assigned for the students. So as you can see that just now we have created cybersecurity game had been shown in after assigning the student there, it can be shown here. Okay, so that is the thing. So just you can see here all the games that assigned. Okay, to play the game, just go and start the game. Okay, there will be the questions here. So just click the right answers and submit the game. Just click OK. And then you can see the score. Okay, so this is the score that get from the game. So just go back to games. And after you play games, you can see the attempt here. So the attempt shows that 100%. Okay, so not just this, you can go how many attempts as you want before the due date. So I can start the game again. And now, for example, I put a wrong answer. Submit. And as you can see, the wrong answer is not right. So the score will be 0. So back to my game, and you can see my second attempt will be 0 mark. So each of the levels are same technique, use same technique. This is what the previous attempt that I attempt before. So you can see in this attempt how many scores I get, how many questions there, and which are my corrected answers. That's all for the game part. Then after this, you can go back to dashboard. Okay, now I want to see, I want to show you the feedback because just now you can see that I edit the feedback that was before. You can view the feedback here. Okay, as you can see, level 1, the one I edited before, the grade and the comments and the date also will be here. So basically, all the functions are working. Okay. So now here the manage profile as same as before for the teacher and admin. Same, update profile and change password. So that's all for student. Okay, I just go and show the teacher dashboard again that we played the example test game just now. So does it shows on the teacher's dashboard or not? Okay, log in the teacher email again. Sorry. Okay, so we have go to the teacher's dashboard and we go to the manage game section. Okay, so the cybersecurity just now I created. Okay, so now you can see the score, how many attempts that I've won and the scores here, and we can submit the feedback for that. Just anything, any score you can give them. Okay. So the feedback also gets submitted again. So for this game, you can assign how many students you want. So just now I've assigned one student only. Now I'm gonna assign the second student. Okay. So the assigned students will become here. Okay, I log out from here now. I'll show in the next student part. Okay, FYP student 2. Okay, so this is student 2's dashboard. So you can see available games here. Okay, so just now I assigned the student here, so that's why it's showing here. For attempt, we just start game here lah. Okay, for assigning students has been done. So my whole system is working perfectly. As I said, every functions are working perfectly that I mentioned before in my FYP1. So I've done the justice for my FYP1, I guess. So for more, I can show the database here. Okay, so these are the assigning games. So you can see the level 1, level 2, level 3 cybersecurity that I created before and the created now. Cybersecurity was created just now. So you can see everything has been put up on the database. So here assignment student. So you can see the student's ID and assignment ID and student ID. So if we assign, it will show here. Okay, here you can see the atoms, how many atoms. So the scores will become up here. So as I said, my system is AES encrypted. So the scores will be encrypted. So it is also functioning. And now feedbacks, the feedbacks will be keep on the database, as I said. Okay, you can see the questions here. These are the questions that I created and the correct answers also will be there. Okay, now users are. These are the users table. So as you can see, I've also done the password hashing thing. So it can show here, every student's, admin's, teacher's password has been hashed successfully. Okay, now I want to show the JWT token created. Okay, for that, I'll open this. Okay, I'll show an example. So after I log in, you can see here the token will be generated. So now I log in as a student. Okay, after logging, you can see the token has been generated. This token can valid for 24 hours. Every function is working. It's fully functional system. So that's all. Thank you.